Hi, I'm John with Wight Water Pools. We're celebrating our 30th anniversary this year, and we would like to talk to you about pouring chlorine properly. A lot of our customers have asked how to pour our Hossa chlorine that we get. We do get it every single day, and it gets rotated regularly so it stays nice and strong for your pool. When you pour it, you want to pour it in one single pour, not cause splashing like that. Splashing will get on your pants, will get on your legs and pants. And another thing you want to usually do is pour it where the return jet is blowing out water. It'll help circulate it. You can walk it around to the pool, will be fine. And then after you finish up, you want to just grab your pole and your brush and just stir it into your water really good. Let your system run for at least 3 or 4 hours.